Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss how to maintain your car engine for maximum efficiency. This will help your car perform at its best and save you from costly repairs. If you're passionate about cars and want to take care of yours, then keep watching. Let's begin with the importance of engine maintenance. Your engine is the heart of your car. If it's not properly maintained, it can easily break down, which could lead to expensive repairs. Regular maintenance ensures your car runs smoothly and efficiently for a long time. One of the most important maintenance tasks is changing your engine oil regularly. The engine oil lubricates all the moving parts of the engine, reducing friction and wear. Over time, oil becomes dirty and loses its effectiveness, which could harm your engine and reduce fuel efficiency. Make sure to change the oil as per your car's manual to keep your engine running smoothly. Another critical task is checking your coolant levels. If the coolant level is too low, your engine can overheat, which could cause severe damage. Keeping the coolant at the right level helps regulate engine temperature and prevents overheating. Always check and top up coolant when necessary. Don't forget about the air filter. The air filter ensures your engine gets clean air for combustion. If it's clogged, your engine won't get enough oxygen, which can reduce performance and fuel efficiency. Replacing your air filter regularly helps maintain engine efficiency and performance. Spark plugs play an essential role in your engine's performance. They ignite the fuel-air mixture in the engine, and if they aren't working properly, your engine won't run efficiently. Over time, spark plugs wear out, so it's important to check them regularly and replace them when needed. Battery maintenance is also essential. A weak or dirty battery can prevent your car from starting and might even cause damage to the engine. Keep your battery terminals clean and ensure the battery is properly charged. If your battery is old or weak, it might be time to replace it before it causes any problems. Lastly, regular inspection of your engine and other car parts is key to avoiding major issues. A thorough check every 6 months can help catch small problems early, preventing bigger issues down the road. Don't wait for a problem to arise. Proactive maintenance is always better. Those were some essential tips to maintain your car engine for maximum efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please give it a